साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ
Dear devotees, you are about to embark on the greatest journey of your life, a journey to the core of your inner being. Please, all in a low voice, follow the Omkar and let your mind reach a quietude of silence. All together, let us repeat the Pranava. please sit up straight. And in the quietness of your mind, hear the sound of your breathing. Breathe in and out. In, out. Now, open your eyes and see the light in front of you. This is the light of a candle. Gaze intently at the light. Now, feel the light shining in the center of your forehead. Now half close your eyes and feel the light in the center of your forehead. Now, let that light come down your neck to the center of your chest. Imagine a flower, a lotus, opening petal by petal to receive the light. Now the light is resting on the lotus. The lotus disappears, only the light remains. But it is no more the light of the candle. It is a round ball of formless light. It is a light of divinity within you. Feel this light now expand, and feel the light going down your body, into your legs, up to your feet. Feel warmth as the light surges through your limbs. And make this mental vow, O Lord, my legs, touched by the light of your divinity, will always take me only to places of goodness. Feel the light surging upwards, up into your chest, around your shoulders, and down into your arms and fingers. Feel the warmth as this light surges through you. Make this mental vow, O Lord. My arms, touched by the light of your divinity, will only yearn to do what is good. Now feel the light surging upwards into your neck and into your face, into your head. And the light now shines in your eyes. Make a vow. My eyes must yearn to see only what is good. Feel the light now shining in your ears. My ears must yearn to hear only what is good. Feel the light now shining on your lips. My lips must yearn to only speak what is good. Now, feel this light now shining into your whole body. The light illumines the body. In your mind, repeat the words, the light is in me. Now feel the light expand. Expand, and you are now sitting in a ball of light, in a cone of formless light. Let your mind say, the light is within me, I am in the light. Feel a thrill of this light, and now feel this light expanding and filling this entire room with a divine glow. And let this light now go beyond this room, beyond and beyond, spreading ever further to this whole country, and beyond this country, beyond oceans and beyond nations. Let this light flow ever outwards to encompass the whole world. Now, imagine yourself, not your physical body, but an inner being within you, like a gigantic divine form. sitting on the globe, and the light of your divinity, the light of your love, encompassing the whole world. Stay for a moment, thrilled in that thought. Now, bring into your mind's eye and send your light of love to all the creatures of the world, all the animals and insects, creatures that fly or crawl. All of them are God's creatures. Send your light of love now to those whom you dislike or whom you think dislike you. Send your love, send your light of love to them. The same Atma in you is also in them. Let them feel the radiance of your light. Let them feel the radiance of your love. Now, into your mind's eye, bring those you love, your spouse, children, relations, friends, whoever. Bathe them with the divine glow of your love. Feel oneness with the whole world. Feel at peace with yourself. And now, look inside you. Can you imagine? Do you see a ball of light within you? In this ball of light, bring in the form of the Ishtadeva, the divine being that you love and worship. See this form smiling within you. See this divine form raise his hands in blessing. You have shared your love with the world. Now, receive the blessing and darshan of the divine within. Stay for a moment, thrilled in this thought that you and he are one. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्रीभास्कराय विद्महे साईदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ प्रेमात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नः सत्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
आज्ञा भैया काल की कभी चलायो बंद सब सीखन को कब है गुरु मानियो ग्रंथ गुरु ग्रंथ जी मानियो प्रगट पुरा की ने जो प्रभु को मिल वो चाहे खोज शब्द मिले राज करेगा खालसा आती रहे न कोई बार हुए सब मिलेंगे बचे शरण जो होए वाहे गुरु नाम जहाँ रहे चढ़े सो तेरे पार जो शरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार जो शरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि ॐ नमो अहिलन्तानं ॐ नमो सिद्धानं ॐ नमो आयर्यानं ॐ नमो गजायानं नमो लोये सब साहुरणं ते सोपं च नमो कायो सर्व पावनाशयो अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु
अत्रीणात्वा कृमे हन्मि कण्वेन जमदग्निना विश्वावसोर्ब्रह्मणा हतः कृमीणागुं राजा अप्येषागस्थपतिर्हतः अथो माताथो पिता अथो स्थूरा अथो क्षुद्राः अथो कृष्णा अथो श्वेताः अथो आशातिका हताः श्वेताभिः सह सर्वे हताः आहरावद्य श्रितस्य हविषो यथा तत्सत्यम् यदमुय्यमस्य जम्भयोः आदधामि तथा हि तत् खण्फण्मृषि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेशा 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 गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेशा 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 गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी मात महेश्वरी दुर्गा भवानी माता महेश्वरी दुर्गा भवानी सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगज्जननी अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगज्जननी अभयप्रदायिनी आनन्दरूपिणी अभयप्रदायिनी आनन्दरूपिणी मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनी मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनी सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी माता महेश्वरी दुर्गा भवानी सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगज्जननी अभयप्रदायिनी आनन्दरूपिणी मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनी मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनी सिंहवाहिनी साई नारायणी राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे गुरु नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे गुरु नानक यीशु प्रिय साई हरे,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे, सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे, सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे,
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे,
गुरु नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे,
नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे,
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे,
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
राम हरे साई कृष्ण 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 हरे,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे।
This next song is a very famous song. All of you have heard about it. But the story that I would like Sai Surendranath sir to narrate is something which is connected to this song. This happened many years ago, and sir will obviously narrate it. But the beauty of this particular incident is about the detail that Swami would pay to the kind of the vesture that we would wear. Even dressing was so important for Swami. And this song, in fact, maybe I'll give it to you, the song Chadariya Jini Re Jini by Kabir Das actually talks about the dress and what kind of a dress that we must wear. So I'll ask Sai sir to narrate that incident which is connected to the dress and how beautifully Swami guided him through that particular incident.
Salam to all of you. Back again. How many of you had the beautiful darshan, feast to eyes, in this beautiful Kulwant hall? Yes. There was a feast, right? We wait eagerly for the Lord to walk around and share the love, so that we get suffocated in that love and we'll remember and cherish all through our life. When he comes, all the devotees tired, and Swami always says, castor oil face. So everybody seated there with their own troubles, turmoils, vision, mission. They need their needs, their desires, their variety of them seated. And the moment the Lord enters that Kulwant hall, everyone's face brightens up. Cheerful smile, full of energy, and we reflect Swami's love. That is why he is divine. And how he enters the Kulwant hall, when he comes, he glides in his movement. He smiles in your feeling. He cares in all your concern. And he shares the joy and love with you. And he becomes part and parcel of our mind, filling with that pure love. One fine morning, when Swami was walking like that, blessing all the devotees in this beautiful Kulwant hall, suddenly Swami noticed a very famous singer seated there. Then Swami looked at her. When did you come? Swami, yesterday evening, Swami. Very happy. Are you here? No, Swami. Tomorrow I am leaving this place. I have a program. I am leaving. Then Swami said, anyway you have come here. Why don't you give a program here? She said, Swami, myself and my husband came and accompaniments are not here. How to give program, Swami? I love to do it. Immediately Swami said, why? My boys are here. My boys can play all the instruments and my boys will accompany you. She was very happy. You see, instead of you praying God, God is giving you an opportunity to perform. Right? So finally what is happening? Swami cut short and comes to the bhajan hall. I was sitting there. Swami came and told, that singer has come and I told her to give evening performance, but only thing is she doesn't have any instrument player. So go to her room, find out whatever she needs and then support her. I said, yes, Swami, I will do that. Then we went to her room and then she said harmonium, keyboard, dholak, tabla, all the requirements. You know, the professional singers will not sit with us and practice. They will say, this is the raga and these are the style of playing and this is the beat. The first line will go. The rest of it we have to imagine. Okay? Fine. Swami said practice, and the practice is like this, where the practice is initiated. That is a spark with one matchstick. If you ignite, one tree also can burn. That ignition happened in her room. So with that, we all came back and we knew what are the songs, number of songs, the scale in which she was going to sing, and all the instruments that she needs for accompaniment. Usually those days, whenever there is a program, no one will enter the bhajan hall. All the students, everybody will be seated outside because the program is outside. So the music party, everybody is seated there, and my dear student, he was a witness for this, he was also there. And Swami, as usual, darshan is coming. You know, when Swami, when he wants something, he's like a small child, bubbling with joy, and he just cannot contain his happiness. He just pours it out. You can make out, oh, Swami today is immensely blissful. Swami is blissful, you know, we feel like that. Swami is always, but he gives that impression to us. And what happened? Ladies' side, halfway through, Swami came, cut short, gents sacrificed. No darshan that side. Swami straight away made a beeline towards the bhajan hall, because Swami knows that is the place his children with the instrument and the singer, they are all seated. So Swami entered the bhajan hall. I was standing near the door. I got up and I saw Swami's face, so much of happiness and joy and excitement. I was very happy seeing Swami like that. The moment Swami's chair entered the bhajan hall, next second, all that happiness, everything vanished. The face became very serious. Next second, immediately my palpitation increased. I was worried. Whenever Swami feels like that, immediately so many thoughts run in our minds. I thought maybe too many instruments players and Swami didn't want. Or maybe too less instrument player, maybe Swami expected more. Or maybe somebody in that group Swami didn't want that guy to be part of the group, so I sandwiched him, so Swami is upset. So this is how wild imagination is going on. But our divine Lord, with the same serious face, his chair moved towards the singer. Unto the singer, full of love. She is happy, Swami is happy, exchange of notes and words finished, and then the chair turned. I am very careful. Something is in store for me. So, Bhajan Hall wall and myself, we want to be one, so that Swami will not notice me. But where you can hide from the divine Lord? From there itself, he told that boy, and direction is towards me, go there. I thought, finished. Now Swami is coming straight. I don't know what is going to happen now. So, whenever Swami is upset or angry, seemingly, Swami is full of love, to correct us, he always does that. We learned, what is that? Shut your mouth, look down humbly, never argue. Even if you are on the right side, say sorry. That's the simplest way. That is called surrender, to render yourself to God. If you don't render to God like that, you are not surrendering, you have something to face. Life is a game played. So now here, I was kneeling down. Swami called me, hey, that lady, she is wearing black sari. Bagaledu, not good. Tell her to change the sari. Swami, me? Yeah. You tell her to change the sari. I didn't know what to say. If it is a boy or a man, I can say, hi, handsome, change the dress and come. How can I go and tell a lady? So I was little puzzled, confused. I didn't know what to do. Meanwhile, I thought Swami will go. Swami chair moved a little front, again reversed back. Hey, again I went. I will give you 10 minutes time. I said, yes, Swami. Hey, Nuvu Cheppu, you tell. I said, yes, Swami. And then Swami went happily inside. I quietly sat in the center of the bhajan hall. All the boys were tensed. Sai sir, 2 minutes over. You are sitting quietly. Tell that lady, hello brother, how can I go and tell that lady, change your sari? She will say, just now Swami came and spoke to me. If Swami doesn't like, Swami can tell me, no, Swami never talked about the sari. What is your problem? Or she may say, my husband bought and gave out of love. What is your problem? Or she will search for an old chappal to bash me. Do I need all this, man? But what about Swami's word? Yes, Swami wanted me to convey this, but how will I go and tell? I cannot tell. The best thing is, I am leaving this to God. God who gave me the trouble, don't tell me he will not solve the trouble also. The person who gives blessings and give that also. So I just sat quietly. 5 minutes over. Sai sir, keep quiet, man. Keep quiet. 8 minutes over. Sai sir, any moment Swami will come. What can I do, man? Keep quiet. I knew 10 minutes is full of bliss. Do you know why? Nothing will happen to me in 10 minutes. If anything is going to happen to me, after 10 minutes only it will start. So you don't trouble me, man. At least 10 minutes let me enjoy. And then I was looking at the chandelier and the photograph and all this avataram. Hello, avataram? What is my avataram now? What I am going to do now? Then I decided, Swami will come back. He will see I did not obey his words. And usually he will call the elders. Takshanam baitiki pampichese. Send this fellow out. He's not listening to Swami's word. I thought, okay, from tomorrow onwards, I'll be sitting along with the devotees, having darshan. Today is my last day. Let me enjoy peacefully. And I surrendered to Lord. Lord, whatever you want, you play your game. I am not going to tell that lady, change the sari. Okay? Then Swami gave 2 minutes extra. It became 12 minutes. Then I sat quietly, interview door opened. Fortunately for me, the place where I was sitting, diagonally I can see Swami's interview room door open and Swami was sitting on the chair. With lot of enthusiasm and expectation, Swami is looking at me like that. Means you did the job or what? I didn't know, like this, I didn't know what to do. I was totally confused because I have not done any homework on that. But next to his chair, 4 silk sarees were kept. My eyes fell on that. I got up, rushed into the interview room. Swami was wondering, I didn't call him. Why is he coming inside the interview room? Yemi, Swami asked. I said, Swami, this saree? Yeah, usually after the program, we give on the stage. That is why I kept. I picked up 4 sarees. Swami, just give me 5 minutes. I will come back. I didn't say anything more than that. Picked up that 4 sarees. I didn't want Baba to follow me. I closed the interview room door and came out. So we don't know what is happening inside the interview room door. The program is outside. So I rushed to that beautiful devotee sitting there. Ma'am, Swami sent this. Which color do you like? I don't have blue. Take, ma'am. Take the blue color. And then I said, Swami surprised you. Shall we surprise Swami? How? Before Swami comes, you change the sari. She said, my accommodation is R3. I have to go to R3, change my sari and come. Meanwhile, if Swami comes, he will scold me. He will be expecting me here. So I cannot go and do that. Don't worry, madam. I called the Pujari. Pujari, next to Bhajan Hall, there is a small room where Swami's items and coconut puja items are all kept. I told, sir, just open that room. I called one lady Sevadal. Ma'am, you stand here. Ma'am, you go inside. You change your sari. You leave the black sari there. Sevadal will take care. Before Swami comes, you come back. We will surprise Swami. She felt very happy, comfortable, went inside the room. Within 3 minutes, our lady comes with a blue sari, black and blue. Black became blue. So she came and sat. I said, Sai Ram. 5 minutes, the door opens. Swami seriously looking at me. I looked at that Swami and said, finished, did the Swami. And then Swami wanted to know what exactly I have done. Swami entered the Bhajan Hall and he noticed, Kabhi change kiya. When did you change the sari? Swami asked. Swami, abhi change kiya, Swami. Just now I changed. Very happy, very happy. She went to even more blissful state because she pleased Swami and I saved my soul. And Swami looked at me and said, Then I was kneeling down and I told Swami, it is you who gave me the clue to solve the problem. It is you who gave me the problem. And it is you solve the problem by giving you a hint. This is where, when you surrender to God, He will render all the service. If you don't surrender, you can't expect anything from God. So that is what I learned. It is a small thing. It is not that Swami doesn't want you to wear black sari or white sari. The idea is you are crushed in between 32. Your tongue doesn't have bone, but it is doing gymnastics between 32 strong, never get hurt. Our life is like that. Troubles will come, pleasures will come, all the situations will come, but still we need to focus and surrender to God, and God will show you the way. If not for that, I wouldn't have come out safely. Maybe I would have worn the black sari and come out of the Bhajan Hall. Thank you, Sai Ram. Surrender to the Lord.
sa ni sa ni sa re ni ri 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 sa ni da ba ma ga re da ni ba ni sa re ma ba ni da ba ma ga ni sa ni sa ga ma re ga da ni ga re ga ma re ga da ni ga re ga ma ni ba ma ga re da ma re ga da ni ga re ga ma ni ba ma ga re da re ni sa जगदोधारणा अडिसिद यशोदा जगदोधारणा अडिसिद यशोदा जगदोधारणा अडिसिद यशोदा जगदोधारणा जगदोधारणा मगनिंदु ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಜಗದೋಧಾರಣಾ ಮಗನಿಂದು ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಜಗದೋಧಾರಣಾ ಮಗನಿಂದು ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಮಗುಗಳ ಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯನ ಹರಿಸಿದ ಯಶೋದ ಮಗುಗಳ ಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯನ ಹರಿಸಿದ ಯಶೋದ ಜಗದೋಧಾರಣಾ ಹರಿಸಿದ ಯಶೋದ परम पुरुषना परवासुदेवना परम पुरुषना परवासुदेवना पुरंदर विठलना हरिसिद यशोदा पुरंदर विठलना हरिसिद यशोदा पुरंदर विठलना हरिसिद यशोदा जगदोधारणा हरिसिद यशोदा जगदोधारणा जगदोधारणा गोपाल 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 गोवर्धन धर गोपाल गोवर्धन धर गोपाल, 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 गोवर्धन गोपाल, गोपाल,
We'll present the final song since we have run out of time completely. This final song is a beautiful Qawwali which was written by one of our professors, and it talks about the great good fortune we have to be in Prashanti Nilayam, in his darbar. Just to add to what Brother Alex said right at the beginning, we are right now sitting in the home of Swami because just about 50 feet behind us was where Bhagwan lived for 12 years. From 1993 to 2006, Swami lived in the Purnachandra Auditorium. So you are in Swami's home right now. You know, that's our great good fortune, and that is how open Swami was, that he allowed people to just walk in and use his living room to do all our programs. So welcome to this darbar, and let us cherish these moments because this song says, "Mauka aisa mile na mile, yaad rakh lo haridam." We may not get this opportunity again.
दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ झोली फैलाए आते हैं, तेरे कदमों में अर्पण करने हम दिल का नजराना लाए हैं। हाँ, तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज, तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज। पल पल ये दिल में रहे, याद रहे हरदम हरदम। हाँ, तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज, तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज। दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ झोली फैलाए आते हैं, दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ झोली फैलाए आते हैं। तेरे कदमों में अर्पण करने, तेरे कदमों में अर्पण करने दिल का नजराना लाए हैं। हाँ, दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ, दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ, दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ, दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ अपनी मोहब्बत का इजहार करने, तेरे जलवे का दीदार करने तेरे दरबार ऐसा मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम। हाँ जी हाँ,
मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम।
हाँ जी हाँ,
मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम।
याद रख लो दिल में से, याद रख लो दिल में से, याद रख लो। कि याद रखने की बात आती है कहाँ, कि साईं के दर पे आकर साथ उनके रहकर बात उनकी सुनकर नजर से नजर मिलाकर मैं भूलूं कैसे, मैं भूलूं कैसे। मैं चाहता हूँ कि परेशान न करे उनका ख्याल, मगर वो जो है कि मेरे ख्वाबों में आए जाते हैं। वो आए या न आए ये मर्जी उनकी है, हम उनकी राह में नजर बिछाए जाते हैं। या अल्लाह तेरी हर बात याद आए दिन रात, तेरी ही याद खूब सताए दिन रात। जाए कहाँ हम तेरे बिना अब याद तेरी सताए,
जाए कहाँ हम तेरे बिना अब याद तेरी सताए।
घर पे तेरे आकर हमने जीवन के हर सुख पाए,
घर पे तेरे आकर हमने जीवन के हर सुख पाए।
जाए कहाँ तेरे बिना, जाए कहाँ तेरे बिना। अल्लाह तेरी हर बात याद आए दिन रात, तेरी ही याद खूब सताए दिन रात। प्यार की गहराई में, तेरे प्यार की गहराई में इतना खो जाता हूँ मैं, इतना खो जाता हूँ मैं, इतना खो जाता हूँ मैं। भूल जाता हूँ कि तेरे पास हूँ या दूर हूँ,
भूल जाता हूँ कि तेरे पास हूँ या दूर हूँ। भूल जाता हूँ कि तेरे पास हूँ या दूर हूँ।
अल्लाह अल्लाह तेरी हर बात याद आए दिन रात, तेरी ही याद खूब सताए दिन रात। जाए कहाँ,
जाए कहाँ
तेरे बिना, जाए कहाँ। मौका ऐसा मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम। हाँ जी हाँ, मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम। हाँ जी हाँ, मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम। तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज,
तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज।
महकती हर चमन की महक तुझसे है,
महक तुझसे है, महक तुझसे है।
धड़कती हर दिलों की धड़क तुझसे है, धड़क तुझसे है, धड़क तुझसे है। जिंदा जिंदगी की जान तुझसे है, जान तुझसे है, आन तुझसे है, शान तुझसे है। तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज, तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज। पल पल ये दिल में रहे, याद रहे हर दम। तेरे
दरबार में हम आए हैं आज, तेरे दरबार में हम आए हैं आज। मौका ऐसा मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम, हाँ मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम, हाँ मिले न मिले याद रख लो हरदम, याद रख लो दिल में से, याद रख लो दिल में से, याद रख लो, याद रख लो दिल में से, याद रख लो दिल में से, याद रख लो, याद रख लो, याद रख लो दिल में से, याद रख लो दिल में से, याद रख लो, याद रख लो, याद रख लो।
शांति शांति शांति।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। शांति शांति शांति। ओम तत्सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्तु यवशक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीमतावो तु रहीमतावो तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु। ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वर। ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कर्पलदीका आश्रित कर्पलदीका आपद्बांधवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदेवं वरियन्तयुनीवे स्वामी वरियन्तयुनीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।